ꯑꯩꯅꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ somehow ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯒꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯔꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ May I request everyone to kindly rise as we extend our deepest respect and warmest welcome to our respected Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhallaji, accompanied by distinguished dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise and let our hearts join in harmony as the national anthem of India fills this evening with pride, hope, and unity. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Ahanbada lingshin biriba kwai pumna magpu ikok nona kurumjari amadi lamde masibu kon biriba Manipur sana pung mayolda nganthoi biriba Sri Radha Govinda ni gi charanda changjaraga ngasigi pangthok chagadoriba thauramasi asoyangam apanayit amata yauda mapung phana pangthok pangamba pinabiyo haina pumna maki mahu sinjaraga kurumjari. Manipur Sangai Festival Lisingani kunmanga Chahigi Thajad November kunmathoina lakpada Hogdokli Sangai Festival Manipur gi Sattaksa Atauba Fumdi Thak Kambong Manau Marakta Chena Chongna Sanajabi Chirong Panbi Sangai Nangi Koloi Minglenbu Malem Simna Sonahan Manipur Sangai Festival Harau Nungai Jagoi Isai Fisalonsa Khudhei Tanaba Sangai Festival Manipur Sangai Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed invitees and well-wishers of Manipur, after 2 years of silence, the Bhagya Chandra Open-Air Theatre breathes again. Today, the breeze carries the fragrance of our land, the hopes of our people, and the spirit of resilience that defines Manipur. With immense pride and renewed joy, we welcome you to the Manipur Sangai Festival 2025, a festival that celebrates the elegance of the Sangai and the enduring strength of Manipur. So ladies and gentlemen, it is with profound respect and heartfelt gratitude that we facilitate our distinguished dignitaries. Their esteemed presence today elevates the grandeur of this occasion and also strengthens the spirit, prestige, and significance of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2025. To do the honor, may I have the privilege to request our respected Secretary, Tourism, Government of Manipur, Shri Hongyo Wersang, IAS. Once again, we'd like to have your kind presence on the dais, our respected Secretary, Tourism, Government of Manipur, Shri Hongyo Wersang, IAS. And may I have the honor to invite on the dais our respected Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhallaji, to give us a moment to honor and felicitate you, sir. would like to request our respected Governor, sir, to be on the dais to give us a moment to honor and felicitate you. Presenting a traditional stone, lengyan, as a deep token of appreciation. And also we have with us First Lady, Madam Jyoti Bhalla ji. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your gracious presence. Presenting an indigenous tribal soul and a beautiful photograph of Sangai, our pride. And we are now having the honor and privilege to honor respected First Lady, Madam Jyoti Bhalla. Once again, our respected Secretary Tourism, sir, will do the honor. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have Honorable MLA, Thongju Assembly Constituency, Shri Thongam Biswajit sir. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Ikai kumnajariba Honorable MLA na ngasigi Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre da yamna chinglemna pangthokliba Manipur Sangai Festival 2025 ki haudokpagi thoram asida saruk yaba lengbirakpa mapung phanbibagi damakta ngamjaba khudol porasi matang khudol tamjadune ikai kumnaba uchari sarbo hana hana thagachaba phongdokchari. And also would like to have the kind presence of our learned Advocate General, Sri Lenin Hizam. Would like to have your kind presence on the dais, sir, and to give us a moment to honor and felicitate you. Presenting a beautiful photograph of Pung Cholom. Thank you so much. We have our respected Honorable MLA, Nambol Assembly Constituency, Shri Thonauzam Bashant Kumar Singh, Sir Busu Tharamasida Taramna Okchari Kaikumna Bochari, and doing the honor is our respected Director, Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, Sir Vikram. Next we have our respected Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Dr. Puneet Kumar Goyal ji. We welcome you, sir. Thank you so much for your gracious presence. Thank you very much. Next we have Learned Advocate General Sri Lenin Hizam. Thank you very much, all the respected dignitaries, and thank you so much, Director Sir, for doing the honor. For an auspicious beginning, would like to request our respected dignitaries to please light the auspicious lamp. Thank you very much, respected dignitaries, for doing the honor of lighting the auspicious lamp as a remark of the beginning of Manipur Sangai Festival 2025. So with great honor and delight, may I request Sri Hongyo Warsung, IAS, Secretary Tourism Government of Manipur, to grace this moment with a welcome address marking the beginning of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2025.
A very good evening to all. Chief guest of today's function, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, First Lady of the State, Madam Jyoti Bhalla, Honorable MLAs, respected Security Advisor, Sri Kuldeep Singh, respected Chief Secretary, Dr. Puneet Goyal, respected Advocate General, distinguished guests, media personnel, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor to welcome you all to the opening ceremony of the 12th edition of the Manipur Sangai Festival. I want to sincerely thank each one of you for being part of this special occasion. Manipur is renowned for its vibrant cultural tradition, thanks to the diverse tribes and communities that celebrate this rich heritage throughout the year. One of the most eagerly awaited events is the Manipur Sangai Festival, held annually from 21st to 30th November. The festival, as we all know, is named after our state animal, the Sangai deer, a unique broad antler species found exclusively here in Manipur. The purpose of this festival is to showcase Manipur's vast tourism potential to the world. Our state is blessed with stunning landscape, lively and strong cultural heritage and hospitality that present incredible opportunities for growth in tourism. We have a deep-rooted history of art and culture, dotted with numerous captivating attractions. Despite its small geographical size, our state offers a world of experience that can rival the most famous destination in Southeast Asia. Our ethnic diversity, scenic beauty, and rich biodiversity are truly unmatched. On the spiritual front, places like the Sri Sri Govindaji Temple in Imphal, where the renowned Ras Leela dance is performed, attracts visitors from across the country every year. Natural wonders abound, such as Loktak Lake in Bishnupur district, the largest freshwater lake in Northeast India. It's a marvel, home to the world's only floating national park, Kaibulam Jau, which is also the natural habitat of our only dancing Sangai deer. When it comes to art and culture, Manipur shines brightly through its classical and folk dances. An example is the Manipur Nat Sankirtana, an art form which has been recognized by UNESCO as a part of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Beyond this attraction lie the Imam Market, claimed to be the world's largest women market, our legendary polo, the stunning Sirui lily, and the incredible variety of flora and fauna makes Manipur one of the most unique places in the world. And of course, the Sangay Day remains the most iconic symbol of our state. The Sangay Festival provides a wonderful platform for travelers to experience all these facets of Manipur. It brings together our diverse communities, offering them a chance to showcase their culture and tradition. This festival is spread across multiple venues in Imphal, Bishnupur, and Senapati district, providing a comprehensive experience. The curtain raiser ceremony was held yesterday at Kebul Makhal Ekai in Bishnupur district with support and participation of the people. The venue for this year's celebration will be held at 14 locations with main events at Hapta Kangjaibung, Begachandra Open Air Theatre, and Kuman Lampak and others, which will host a variety of programs, cultural events, Sumang Lila, Sangay music, traditional sports, Miss Sangay, Mela for kids, adventure sports, international polo, cherry blossom in Senapati, and so on. Throughout the year, Manipur welcomes numerous visitors from across the globe. During festival like this, the influx of tourists increases dramatically. For instance, the recent Sirui Lily Festival in Ukhrul drew a total footfall of 166,678 at different locations during its 5 days. In closing, I want to emphasize that tourism is more than just exploring beautiful places. It's about uniting people, fostering mutual understanding, and growing together as individuals. Festivals like this serve as a bridge, bringing us closer, enriching our lives, and reminding us of the shared humanity that binds us all. I sincerely hope you all enjoy this celebration of oneness, and in this spirit, let us come together to celebrate this year's edition of Manipur Sangay Festival. May it be a joyful and memorable event for all. Thank you all.
On behalf of everyone present, we thank Sri Hungyo Warsang, IAS, Secretary Tourism Government of Manipur for his eloquent welcome address. Your words illuminate this occasion and inspire us all as we celebrate the return of the Manipur Sangay Festival. Honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense pride and reverence that we present to you the theme song of the Manipur Sangay Festival 2025. In a celebration befitting the grandeur of our heritage, this year's presentation come to life through a stunning visual performance capturing the spirit, artistry, and timeless beauty of Manipur. We invite you all to witness and immerse yourselves in this magnificent tribute to our culture as the festival unfolds before your eyes.
O Manipur, land of beauty bright, look at the rising sun, sweeping through the misty mountains, facing a new day, brighter hopes and dreams. Oh, fill our sight in glorious amazement as people sing to find new inspiration. Let your spirit guide and banish us all fears. Oh, listen to your heart and listen to your soul. Look all around, this is where we belong. Oh, Sinai face the season of harmony, a time for joy and melodies. Oh, Sinai face, we celebrate as one. The cultural soul of Manipur, in traditions and tapestry, stories of the ages, told for generations, and written yonder time. Oh, Sinai Fest, the season of harmony, a time for joy and melodies. Oh, Sinai Fest, we celebrate as one. The cultural soul of Manipur.
Ladies and gentlemen, this evening is a tribute to the artists who kept practicing, to the craftsmen who kept creating, to the people who kept believing. Tonight, Manipur signs again. To mark this historic return, we begin with a spectacular choreographic presentation by the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. A performance that embodies hope, harmony, and the timeless grace of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Pari Tompokpa, a choreographic masterpiece that brings to life the beauty and traditions of Manipur. This is the story of a deep and enduring bond between an elderly man of the Kuyol clan and a young male Sangai named Tompokpa. The old man was entrusted with the duty of cleaning a sacred bamboo grove known as Peshwa Wakong, a task assigned by the king under his care. Tompokpa, the Sangai, grew up forming a profound connection with the old man. However, fate intervened. The queen of the reign remained childless, and it was believed that she would be blessed with an heir if the young Sangai were sacrificed and its meat offered to her. On hearing this, the old man devised a plan to save Tompokpa. When the king's men came to capture the Sangai, they could not find it. Eventually, Tompokpa sought refuge at the house of Sarunghanba, the minister responsible for the king's orders, and implored him to protect both the old man and himself. Moved by the courage and loyalty of Tompokpa, both the king and the minister recognized the value of preserving such a precious life. Through their favor, the Sangai was spared, securing its life for the sake of posterity and highlighting the themes of loyalty, compassion, and the sacred bond between humans and nature. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting you the choreographic presentation by the students and artists and gurus of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, Pari Tompokpa.
Ya korong masik I wang ben manau I kasana lang lang I khakwa puri romba purana gaba I hon ma luki hon deva hon ma luki halwai ba asang mo midi wai kem I korwarang mo midi wai kem I ibelo pitai khongdai bi kasa wo siama chai bi nang na sembi iramo sabi iramo tai bi iramo singu batin siang labane phayum lai siang labane ha ha eng
kumjagi singu lai thoram thogai pangba loire do ngamjawa hairang leirang singu magai da katuna punjau laisau nungai yabi marang kaina ba irat thauni thoram loire do ngasi kauba nungja dagi punjau laisau na ba sarai phijol ahan baset harau mathoi kana jagoi kute tamjaro tau ining thaugi sana ya thangni tau
khoi dang silak pa nawa लेबरेन बीबेमा इनिंग थोगो अदु हाक लानसु खनबिगनदो लेमरेन बीदे पारी इमोम बीदेदो मरबसी लेबना लमलानबी कनाबु मियंग सांखैरकपनिदो पुम्नमक असिबो कोकनबा लाइवाओ हंगचगेदो लेमरेन बीबेमा यारो सजी संगाई सिंदम लमा पारी सातब सातकनी इमोम फुइदब फुइगनी सिंथांग येइन पोक्सा नैदो लेमरेन बीबेमा
पाई मनुनांगना थमोई किसी थान लेबाक की जगोई सयेंगदा इरान नुंदा नदोम अवाम शा खांगबदु पाई मकरी पेंदबनु ओ नंग नखरंग खिसाउनरी बसिदी नहान नोंग अंगमगी अवा अदुगी ओइरेको कदाई सरुंग हंजबा चलो लई मरे मेरा खुदाबा यारो सजी संगाई
ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯨꯞ ꯊꯥꯅ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯣ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯣ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯣ
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Pari Tompokpa by the artists, students and gurus of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Choreographed by Srimati G. Chandan Devi, National Awardee, Junior Production Assistant, Production Unit, Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, and Sri O. Jiten Singh, Senior Artist, Production Unit, Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Script by Sri Niladhaja Khuman, music by P. Meghachandra and K. S. Ramesh Kumar, light O. Rajesh Singh, costume and Surendrajit Singh and S. Rahul Singh. Stage Ketrimayum Omendra Singh, production in charge Sri Pukrambam Bilas Singh, director Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Our deepest appreciation to the entire team of the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. Your dedication, talent and artistry have enriched this festival and beautifully showcase the timeless heritage of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, after a very spectacular performance, now the highlight of this evening, the moment we all have been waiting for. It is my honor and humble privilege to invite our respected chief guest, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhallaji, Honorable Governor of Manipur, to deliver the inaugural address.
Very good evening to all of you. Khurum Jari. After such wonderful electrifying performance by JNMDA artists, I don't know what drab speech I should speak. Message perhaps what I wanted to speak has been conveyed by these artists. I will try to come back to that. It's with immense pride today evening and with heartfelt joy, I welcome you all to this 12th edition of Manipur Sangai Festival 2025. From thrilling adventures on land and water to mesmerizing performances that capture the very soul of Manipur, the Manipur Sangai Festival 2025 promises an experience like no other. We couldn't get the artists who did the theme song today, but in the picturization they have shown what I have just spoken about Manipur. This year festival is being held across the state at different places, Bishnupur and Mao if I mention, offering its own unique charm, energy, and immersive experience. Over the next 10 days, you would see and experience a world of indigenous sports, exquisite crafts, global and local cuisines, and vibrant cultural expressions. Music, movement, and magic await each one of you as we celebrate this festival of oneness with renewed spirit and harmony. As we gather for this landmark edition, it's important to recognize that Sangay Festival is not merely a cultural showcase. It's a powerful driver of economic revival and social healing. After the challenges of recent years, the festival not only brings tourism at the forefront of our growth strategy, but also brings renewed livelihood opportunities to our artisans, entrepreneurs, youth, hospitality, partners, and local communities. The expanded participation of government departments, organizations, and stakeholders reflects our collective resolve to rebuild a stronger, more resilient Manipur. What these artists performed here in the name of a festival is not only an entertainment, it's a display of art and culture. A music also is an art, a dance is also an art, and each form of art or music conveys certain meaning. Our history, our culture has always been woven like that a message is conveyed. I must thank the JNMDA people today for conveying a beautiful message on this Sangay festival in the form of a dance performance where the Sangay conservation is an issue, is being displayed in a very, very effective, presentable manner. So, perhaps it's not an entertainment evening for all of us, it's a display of an art which needs to be appreciated by all of us. In this context, it's important to acknowledge the steps taken by government for our internally displaced brothers and sisters. Their suffering is matter of deep concern for all of us. Over the past months, significant efforts have been initiated to support their recovery. The government has rolled out a structured phased plan to facilitate safe return and rehabilitation, including financial assistance for reconstruction of damaged houses. Arrangements for prefabricated housing were required and shift to the cash-based support system. Building houses, government has always, it's an ongoing process. More than 1,000 houses were started before the president rule came in. 8,000 houses have been sanctioned and the money has been released. It's a process of construction. These houses, it will take some time and people would start settling down in these places. Manipur's cultural heritage is a treasure for the entire nation. We take immense pride in Manipur being recognized as the birthplace of modern polo. Originating here is Sagol Kangjai. Today, as part of this festival, the tournament has been inaugurated. It's an ancient game, continues to be preserved through our dedicated polo clubs and state initiatives for protecting the beloved Manipuri pony. I happened to release some money yesterday in case during the lean season for taking care of the pony population in the state. This year's Sangay Festival features an extraordinary array of events that reflect the spirit and diversity of Manipur. The traditional polo matches, Sangay Kangjai, Sagol Kangjai, will showcase the strength, discipline and heritage of our indigenous sport, while the international polo tournament will bring together global players, strengthening bonds through sportsmanship. Football enthusiasts will enjoy a series of spirited football events featuring the passion and talents of our youth. Visitors will also witness a colorful display of indigenous games, a unique window into traditional sports of the state. At Mao, the serene and picturesque Cherry Blossom Festival will captivate the guests with its blooming pink, purple landscapes. The thrilling Hayang Tanaba, Manipur's traditional boat race, will add excitement to the festival's waterfront venues. Sangay Film Festival, another form of display of art. Literature Festival, another form of literary art, is all part of this festival. The state government continues to give strong focus to tourism development through different initiatives particularly promoting homestays and district-level tourism circuits. We are also working to develop important destinations such as Loktak Lake, Kabul Lamjau National Park, the INA Memorial at Moirang, Red Hills India Peace Memorial, Saruchiru Waterfalls, and many more. More than 135 potential tourist sites are being identified for holistic development in the coming years. Sangai Festival, celebrated across different venues, embodies the spirit of unity and inclusiveness. It provides an opportunity to experience the best of Manipur, its dances, music, crafts, traditional sports, natural beauty, and above all, the warmth of its people. As we inaugurate this 12th edition of Manipur Sangai Festival today, let's reaffirm our shared commitment to oneness, harmony, and collective progress. The festival plays a pivotal role in promoting tourism, generating tourism-related employment, and strengthening the economic foundations of the state. Its impact is not only for the 10 days. We are looking at the future of Manipur by projecting it as a state which has huge potential. Few days back, we had an exhibition called Moneytex Expo. Large number of people from outside had come and signed various agreements, contracts with our entrepreneurs for handloom textiles and various other things. So festival is not only in the name of festival for 10 days. It's a projecting state's economy and projecting its future for the years to come. Our neighboring state has done it using some festival for projecting their state over a period of time. Once again, I warmly welcome all of you and I wish you a delightful and memorable experience. I appeal to all the people of the state to participate in this event. I warmly acknowledge presence of our honorable members of Legislative Assembly, Biswajit ji and Basanta ji, to be present here. And I also thank other senior officers who have worked hard, including our Chief Secretary, Director General of Police, Security Advisor, Tourism Secretary, Art and Culture Secretary, and all other senior officers. I once again would like to thank all of you for being present here today and would like to especially thank artists of JNMDA for presenting a wonderful performance, conveying the message which perhaps words can't convey. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we express our heartfelt gratitude to Sri Ajay Kumar Bhallaji, Honorable Governor of Manipur, for his distinguished and inspiring inaugural address. Your words have illuminated the essence of our heritage, the pride of our culture, and the spirit of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, now to offer our gratitude, may I invite Sri Larembam Vikram, Director, Tourism, Government of Manipur, to propose the vote of thanks.
Ahan mamagtada ngasi Manipur Sangai Festival 2025 12th edition gi hawdokpagi thauram asida lengsin birak liba miyambu ikai kumnaba uchari. I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to Sri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Honorable Governor of Manipur, for gracing today's function as the chief guest. From his immense wisdom and vast experience, Sir has guided us through all the difficult situations by taking the right decisions at the right time. Special thanks to the First Lady of Manipur, Srimati Jyoti Bhalla, for her gracious presence today. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Sri Thongam Biswajit Singh, Honorable MLA, Sri Thongauzam Basantakumar Singh, Honorable MLA, Sri Hizam Lenin, Advocate General of Manipur, Sri Kuldeep Singh, Security Advisor, all the high-ranking officials from the Army and the CAPF, and all the officers from the government of Manipur for their presence in today's function. Your presence has indeed added immense value to today's function. My very special thanks to Sri Punit Kumar Goyal, Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, who has guided us with all the passions in organizing this function and the festival. Sir has always had a calming effect on us when the situation became tough. My special thanks to Sri Rajiv Singh, DGP Manipur, for making all the necessary security arrangements for the smooth organization of the festival. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sri Hungyo Warsang, Secretary Tourism, who has constantly guided us day in and day out and fast-tracked all the proposals, decisions relating to the Manipur Sangay Festival. Special thanks to all the administrative secretaries, directors, and the chief engineers of all the line departments who are involved in organizing the Manipur Sangay Festival 2025. Though Tourism Department is the nodal department for the Manipur Sangay Festival, other departments including Art and Culture, Tribal Affairs and Hills, MSPDCL, PWD, Textile Commerce and Industries, Youth Affairs and Sports, PDA, Police, Health, Fire Services, Home, Transport, PHED, IMC, GAD, DIPR, and the DCs have taken an equally important and critical role in organizing the festival. Special thanks to the Manipur Association of Tour Operators, All Manipur Football Association, Sumang Lila Association, Hyang Tanaba Association, All Manipur MHRPA for organizing various events during the festival. Special thanks to our friends from the print and the electronic media, including ISTV, Impact TV, SK TV, Doordarshan, Elite TV, ISCOM, social media partners for covering today's function, as well as the entire duration of the festival. My sincere thanks to all the officers and officials of Directorate of Tourism for their hard work and dedication. Once again, I thank all the people of Manipur for their gracious support. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, with this, the inauguration of the Manipur Sangay Festival 2025 comes to a close. But the celebration of Manipur spirit begins anew today. As the festival returns after 2 years, may it remind us that even in the quietest of times, our identity stands tall, our culture breathes on, and our spirit remains unbroken. On behalf of the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, I, Priyalakshmi Langpo Klakpam, wishing you a beautiful evening and a memorable festival. Come again tomorrow for the second day of the Manipur Sangay Festival 2025 and experience a whole new array of cultural programs and celebrations lined up for everyone. Thank you so much. And before the departure of our Honorable Governor, would like to request everyone to please rise again for the National Anthem.